Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto. Today, I am your host Martin, and today we're gonna be looking at Sunday Night Crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, please leave me a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the bell. That way, you will be notified when we go live. Right. With all that said, link to the Discord screen at the top of the chat. Make sure you join us there. And alrighty, let's get rolling. So sorry about not being here yesterday. OBS changed completely, and I was not able to get some of the plugins to work. For example, the chat. Right, if I bring it up, the back screen does not go blurry anymore because that plugin is no longer working. And at least it's somewhat fixed. Right, I'm not getting those double start streaming and those double stream element live support things that were popping up yesterday, on Friday. And now also the interface has changed. So I'm just happy that things are working a little bit better and that we're able to come live today. I was not able to get everything to work yesterday. And I realized that there's things that I'm not going to be able to still get to work. But for now, this is what we have. And yeah, this is what we're going to go with. So let's get rolling to crypto in general and see what is happening. Right, we said we're probably not going to be doing a lot. Looks like we're not really doing a lot on the weekend. We're still in the 19K zone. Again, below 20 moving average. Yeah, $890 billion, and still trying to get above that 20. We had the bullish divergence again, failed to get above that 20. On that rejection, all I'm seeing is weakness. If we fail to drop lower than the previous low here at $162 billion, then yes, there's a chance we could try to overtake that 20 and then try to go for that 1.03 trillion dollar market cap zone. Otherwise, on that rejection, we're still looking for 761 for now. So getting a drop or any drop, right, is going to immediately start creating some bullish divergence, right? As soon as we start dropping a bit on the price, we're going to create some of that strong bullish divergence against the MACD, against the RSI, for us to look for shifting trend. This is going to be the second time that we're doing it, right? Second time from one island to the next, and that could, in theory, just spark a good rally, right? So let's see how things are going to keep on going for market cap. Let's go here and check out the daily for Bitcoin. So tightness of the Bollinger Bands, right? Waiting for the lines to load. There we go. So rejection at 19,666, below the 20 still, rejecting the 20 consistently. That could lead us to farther sell-off. Again, same as market cap. If we fail to drop lower than 18,427, we could be aiming for a potential rally, maybe get above that 20 and 90,666. Otherwise, I would see it definitely trying to break that area to the downside and again create some bullish divergence immediately and then try to rally from there. That's where I think crypto could go. So I definitely think we're going to try to go for that bullish divergence. It's just the market doesn't feel strong overall, right? It's just the market feels weak. There's really not a lot else we could do, right? It's just wait for the market to do something. That's it. It's just a waiting game. We gotta wait for a break to happen. Break up the 20, breaking a support line, right? Whatever down here is gonna be a support, and hopefully we get a little bit more clear idea as to where the market wants to go. A lot of people calling for October to be where we determine how crypto is going to go for the rest of the year. I think, yes, October is going to be an important time. I don't think it's the most important time. I think it's an important time. I think December is definitely going to be, we're going to try to trend to the upside towards December. I think that's usually what we tend to see towards end of the years. We tend to see a little bit of crypto pumping, and then we'll see how things are going to go. But that is what we are getting here for Bitcoin in general on the daily, right? Let's go to the 4-hour. Yeah, nothing bearish here. Also, nothing bullish, right? We're just going from a low point to a higher low point. Negative momentum, less negative momentum, low to high. Still. So, yeah, not really a lot going on. Neutral at 47.02. Let's see what's in his sales. Andrew, what's up? Bring facts. You're here until the phone dies. All right, that's awesome. And Todd says, yo, what's up, Todd? Alrighty, let's go. There's really nothing on the 4-hour. Again, tightness of the Bollinger Bands expanding slightly to the downside, but not a lot of strength in the move. Indecision. Why is there a line over here? It's from the weekly, I think. Maybe that line's from the weekly. It would seem to make sense. We're going to revisit, but I think this line over here is from the weekly. Yep, it is from the weekly. It was, we had some kind of bullishness, right? And then we're just failing to see it play. It just held us sideways, dropped lower, and we got rid of that bullishness. And, you know, not even going to the 20, fell into the 20, dropping even more, right? Dropping even more. And now there's bullish divergence here on this tail end portion, right? Is it going to play? I mean, I really wish I could tell you all it's going to play, but, you know, hopefully we get a break above the 20 and sustain it. We have broken it. We're trying to sustain it. But if we don't, if we fail to sustain that 20, looking for action to the downside. There's really no other way of saying it, right? It's just market weakness overall. Well, that's it. There's really nothing else. The daily is going to rule the market, so the shorter time scales, really not seeing a lot of definition either, right? It's just comes with indecision. I think we're due for a move. So like I said, hopefully this week we're going to be getting a good move and break out of the monotony that we've been trading in. You can tell, right, that it's been at least since September the 22nd that we've just been moving sideways. So about 10 days of just sideways motion, right? Or sorry, yeah, about 10 days or so of sideways motion. Again, nothing here, right? Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Just still trying to sustain that 1,292. Right now we're above it. Held support at 1,261. There's really not a lot. Waiting for them to 20, right? Again, it's just a waiting game, like we said. I really wish times were more exciting, right? It's just they aren't. I think we're going to have some bullish divergence here. I hope I'm not anticipating myself. And the strong bullish divergence potential for action to the upside, man. Now we're going to get it. Hopefully, like I said, we get that rally. Go to the 20 moving average. We are above that 20 for now. And we're trying to get above that 1,292. This could, sorry, we're not above the 20. We're at above 1,292. Trying to go for that 20 moving average. That's going to be a good move to 1,218. From there, getting above that zone, going for 1,287. Not really seeing a lot of strength. Again, Bitcoin's going to rule the moves. So I'd really rather see Bitcoin move before we actually make a formal call. But, you know, we do have the bullishness, and we are trying to rally with that. Let's go to the 1 hour. Mark of the Wizard, what's up, my friend? Yeah, I'm struggling with some stuff today. Some of the tools are not working the way they should, and I need to get some things to work properly so we don't crash like we did on Friday, where the stream just kept on crashing over and over again, right? So bullish divergence strong on Ethereum on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. That tells us that Ethereum is looking for potential move to the upside, right? I kind of like that. Again, Ethereum could start to lead the move, but we see the same thing similar as with Bitcoin, right? We hit the 20. Bitcoin was slightly above the 20. Ethereum is struggling to hold on to a 20, right? Ethereum's below 20 is actually at support at 1,392. And if we fell below that support line, man, we're looking again for 1,261, right? I mean, geez, that's it, right? There's Andrew, let's go check out ADA, right? You were talking about the Wyckoff spring test. I mean, we might be going for that spring test, right? Again, look, dropping further down. Bullish divergence strong, still there for ADA. Just fell into play out, following the market, dropping 2.56% yesterday, trying to gain 9.95 right now. Again, if we do pump with this divergence, 20 moving average is going to be a target at 44.9 cents. Right now at 42.3 cents. Sold at 38.09 on that RSI, meaning that price perceived to be lower and should be coming up to that neutral zone, meaning we should expect to see some price action to the upside. But are we going to get it? Not sure, man. The only thing that I'm seeing right now is that we're congruent on this look on the market and saying, yo, look, there's bullish divergence here as well, man. Now we're going to try to rally. Maybe the alts are telling us that we should be trying to rally, right? Have it against the MACD, not against the RSI. Sold at 38.39. Again, same story. Perceived value to be lower. Should be going for a rally. 43.1 cents. That's going to be a 20 moving average. Hopefully we can get there. 1 hour chart, man. Bullish divergence, just like Ethereum. Look at that right here, right? Right here, man. Again, Ethereum, ADA looking a little bit better because he has that bullish divergence in the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour, right? It's a little bit more congruent and consistent on the data we're seeing across the timescales, right? Different significant timescales that we tend to look at. So ADA not looking too bad. Again, could be looking for some rally, but ultimately Bitcoin's going to determine where the market goes. All right, that is the way this goes, unfortunately. Posted a picture in the Discord where all the Wyckoff lines are. All right. Let's do the Andrew's crypto ideas and charts. He says there's some Wyckoff afoot. Let's open link. Just gonna open it here. All right, this is Andrew's idea. It's a spring test line. Yeah, I mean, it does look like we're going for that spring test, right? And now we're trying to bounce, and yeah, I could see this working. It's a potential Wyckoff. You're looking on the what time frame are you looking at, man? 30-minute. You're looking at 30-minute chart. Is that where it's at, Andrew? Is that where things are happening? All right, let's go to that 30-minute chart. And I want to open here the Wyckoff. And I want to open the Wyckoff. Where's the Investopedia Wyckoff article? Sorry, here it is. This School of Charts. That's the one I usually like to look at. Why? Because it shows it extremely well. There we are. Struggling with this a bit. Sorry, 1 second. What Andrew's talking about, let me see if I can open this as its own image and then just bring it down here. And I'm gonna try to make it tiny, tiny, tiny so we can still see it on the chart here. It takes a lot of the screen, man. Takes a lot of screen real estate. All right. Again, try to make it a little bit smaller where it still makes sense probably to you guys to see to some extent. We'll put it here. And again, what Andrew's basically looking at here, all this here, right? It's this portion happening somewhere around here. And what I'm understanding by the spring test is that the line that he has down here, he had down here. He had a line down here. And basically he's looking at that as his spring test, right? He's looking at this line here, at the spring test, where we should be trying to bounce, right? And then try to go higher from. But, you know, is this a spring test? I mean, that is certainly breaking a little bit lower. And it could be that it works as a spring test, right? Yeah. All right. Yeah, it works, Hendry. I mean, yeah, it could look like a Wyckoff. I mean, I'm not going to say everything looks like Wyckoff. If we zoom out, it doesn't look a lot like Wyckoff, right? Particularly on the 30-minute, maybe the 1 hour. The 1 hour could look a little bit more like Wyckoff, where we're getting that drop, right, coming in slightly lower. Now that spring test happening right now. Yeah, it could be that we're in the spring test. Not going to say it isn't, right? Not going to say it isn't, but, you know, it could be. It looks kind of like it, so. Something's weird. Making a weird sound, right? I got all three printers going right now. Interesting, though. Alrighty. Right, so not getting a lot of requests coming through. You know, it is Sunday. It is past 10 p.m. for me. There's stuff I need to get going to do. So about starting late today, like I said, guys. It's just took a while to get everything up and running again properly with the updates on OBS and things like that. So tomorrow we should be a little bit smoother. I'm gonna try to get something else to work as that blur effect that I had, or that Gaussian blur effect that I used to have. I'll try to get something to potentially work like that. We shall see if I can get someone to work, and then bring the wolf again by tomorrow. But at least I was able to stream, and that makes me happy. And well, with that said, sorry about not being able to stay longer today. It is Sunday. Not a lot going on with the market. We already said where we could go for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for ADA, right? Again, what you guys have requested to look at. And you got to take advantage of that, like, again, it's a chill Sunday. And you got to try to go and, yeah. You know, you're going to try to go and catch something on the TV with the wife and go to sleep by probably an hour or so. And then wake up tomorrow and start really pushing a lot through to the other projects that I got going on. So guys, thank you for watching. Again, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember that all the information that is provided here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. With all that said, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.